Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how to use the Wise digital card in stores in 2025. Whether you're traveling or shopping locally, this guide will help you pay seamlessly using just your phone. First, open the Wise app and go to the Cards tab. If you haven't already, tap Get a Digital Card. It's free and available instantly. Once activated, you'll see your card details right there in the app. Next, tap Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Pay. Depending on your phone, follow on-screen steps to link your Wise digital card to your mobile wallet. You may be asked to verify with a code or Face ID. Now you're ready to pay in store. Just look for any terminal that accepts contactless or mobile payments. When checking out, hold your phone near the card reader and authorize the payment using Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode, just like using Apple Pay or Google Pay. The best part, Wise automatically uses the currency in your balance with the best exchange rate. If you're abroad, it'll use the local currency if you have it. No need to convert manually. So if this video helped, make sure you subscribe and like.